Oh my god, just look at this. Guys, just take a look at these sausage rolls I made. Oh my god, imagine having this for breakfast with whatever hot beverage you take. Oh, it's really going to make sense. Anyways, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make these super easy sausage rolls, and they are very soft and yummy, so come along. Before we dive into the video, if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate all the support you've been giving my channel. So in here I'm adding warm milk with 1 tablespoon of yeast and a little bit of sugar to proof the yeast. Go ahead and give it a whisk and then cover it and let it sit for 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes. Here is my flour. I weighed out 2.5 cups of flour. I sprinkled a little bit of salt and then I added half cup of sugar. Now go ahead and give it a mix gently. This is how the yeast is going to look like after you proof it, and then go ahead and add 1 egg and give it a whisk. Now you should add your dry ingredient to your wet ingredient and start mixing everything gently. So guys, I forgot to mention, the recipe actually calls for 3.5 cups of flour, so I added 2.5 and then I set aside 1 cup of flour, which we are going to use later. At this point, take out the spoon and use your hand. So bring that 1 cup of flour that you have set aside. While you knead the dough, you sprinkle a little bit of it. You keep sprinkling it bit by bit until you get the desired outcome. This is exactly what I am looking for. Now I will add butter to the flour and massage it very well. So my dough is ready, and I just took out the dough from the bowl and then I rubbed oil on the bowl, and then I placed the dough back inside and then covered it. Set the dough aside in a very warm place so that it will rise properly. While you wait for the dough to rise, prepare your baking pan. I applied butter all over and then I sprinkled a little bit of flour. This will prevent the bread from sticking on the pan. Now the dough is ready, so go ahead and punch it to release the air. Knead it a little bit and then divide it into 2 sections. Roll out one part of the dough, then using a pizza cutter, cut it into triangular shapes. Now bring in your divided sausage. You should divide your sausage into two and then roll it in the flour like I'm doing, and then just place it on the pan. Then you repeat the whole process with the rest of the dough. I am done rolling them all out, and this is how they look. Now I'm just giving it a milk wash before baking it. And it's done. I hope you guys will give this a try. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.